Hey guys, the slacker is back. Say no, but I am back at my sister's house. I'm about to pull up the tomato plants. I don't think they're edible anymore, but I gotta look around first, because you know, I cannot be taken by surprise. I have to look before I step. Let's show you guys the watermelon. That is not doing good. The tomatoes. Let me just show you guys. Let me show you. So here is the one watermelon. I don't know what happened. And I bought some new shears, and guess what? I forgot them at my house. I'm so angry with myself. But yeah, my head is on the swivel. You gotta give me a second. I'm gonna catch up. Oh, that spider is still there. Look at that. I can't believe that. That's crazy. This is like a week later. I haven't been here in over a week. Well, no, not over a week, but about a week. That's crazy. Anyways, watermelon isn't doing great. I'm looking for the snaky snakes before I start touching stuff. See, there it go again. The same thing that I heard yesterday. See, This, listen. What is you? Okay. They don't want me to be the great. That's what it is. They do not want me to be great. All right, this one is looking fine. That one's fine. But I need to cut that one off so no more energy is going to this one. Is he spiky? Okay, so this plant needs to be pulled. So this one needs to be pulled in general because it's dying. This one, that one has one growing. I don't know, but let's go look at the tomatoes. Tomatoes. Oh, yeah, they looking so sad. They look like sun-dried, literally. Okay, so yeah, I'm about to just pull all these. Jesus! Y'all. I'm about to just pull all these tomatoes up. All right, let me get my life together. Let me stop being scared. Get it together, Evita. Get it together. Calm down. All right. I'm just showing you inside of there. All right, y'all. I'm calm. I'm calm. Good. I'm just looking around. All right. Let me go ahead and... What is going on with this? I'm about to water. I don't care if it is about to rain. I don't know if it's about to rain or not. I don't care if it is. But I'm about to water because my sister just like letting my stuff die. All right. Here we go. So I wanted to address, I guess, a few things. Me, number one, being scared of those noises. Ever since we found that snake, I have been on edge. And I mean, I'm still enjoying gardening, but it just has me on edge. Another thing I want to address is that I now live 30 minutes away from my sister's house. I'm in a totally different state now from my sister, which means I am 30 minutes away, if not more, depending on a day or even like the time of day. I have not given up on my garden, which someone commented a little on my last video. I have not given up. I am still going to garden. I get there as often as I can. So unless you want to give me like some money, like cash at me for gas, because gas is like, I don't know how much gas is, $3 or more here in North Carolina. Just know that I am doing my best, and it's not free. I have to drive 30 minutes there, and then I have to drive 30 minutes back. That's a lot of gas, okay? That's another thing I wanted to address. The other thing I want to address is that I have started my seeds for my fall garden. This summer has just been another scorcher. So everything was doing well at the beginning before it started getting up into the hundreds. So my tomatoes were doing well. They were doing excellent, actually. And I was getting a lot of tomatoes. But as you guys see, I just had to pull them. They were just, the heat was just too much for them. And my sister, she hasn't had time to actually water them, which is okay. I know it's my garden. Well, basically it's our garden. I'm the person that basically take cares of it though. She just benefits from it, which is a-okay. But anyways, like I was saying, I had to pull the tomatoes up. They were just dying, and it was just awful, very awful. All right, so this is what it's looking like. I was gonna get the rake and rake it up, but I ain't nobody got time for that. I think I am going to grab some, where is it? Okra? Well, at least, oh, pretty. Oh, look how beautiful. Aww. But anyways, I am going to I'm going to cut some okra up. Oh, I got a lot of okra. I don't know what this is, but it's covered in something. Some type of black spots. Okay, this is going to get pulled. That's, oh, that's marigold. Huh. I don't know why it looks like that. Cayenne, okra, lots and lots of okra. Okay, so my peppers did not do good this year. Again, I'm only going to be starting stuff from seed from now on. Even if my seeds didn't do well, I'm just not going to get stuff from the garden nursery. I'm going to get these so I can plant my marigolds from seed next year. Let me see if they might be too cooked. We'll see. I'm going to open them and see. Oh, no, they look fine. Yeah, they look good. Keep these over there. I have my brace off. Don't tell anyone. But I have my brace off so I can actually garden. Put that right there. And yeah, I don't even know where the bell peppers are supposed to be because I haven't gotten any that are edible. More okra. Yeah, I don't even know where the peppers are. Okay, well, let's go ahead and cut off some okra. I might try to cook it and see if I like it. I highly doubt if I like it, but I'm gonna try. Okay? I'm gonna try. All right, let's go ahead and cut up some okra. I know I feel like I am like staying on this one topic, but please know that gardening is not the only thing I do in my life. I do have other channels, so if you guys are interested, I do have a vlogging channel. I do have a budgeted channel, although I haven't posted to that in a while. And then I have my husband and I channel. And then I have, of course, I have this channel and I have one other channel, which is just a cleaning / home channel. So this is not the only thing I do here on YouTube. Plus, I have to live my life outside of YouTube. So I do have a husband, I have children. So please keep that in mind. If my garden was at my house, you better believe that it would be very kept well. It would be upkept. But being that it is 30 minutes away, it's nearly impossible to keep up with it in the summer. Now, I know my fall garden is going to do fine because there won't be too many bugs attacking it. But yeah, you guys just be nice, basically, is what I'm saying. Be nice. So hopefully there will be no more nonsense comments on my videos. But you guys, yeah, I'm typically nice, but if it keeps happening, I'm gonna have to spaz out. No, I'm joking, but really. Anyways, I was using a knife, my gardening knife, to cut off the okra because again, I said I bought some new shears, and I got some shears from Ross for $7.99 in their Fiskars nails, or not nails, their Fiskars shears. So I was like, what? Come through. So I found that very cheap. So if you guys looking for some cheap gardening stuff and you have a Ross near you, check them out because they did have some nice cheap stuff. I also wanted to dig again to see if I found any more potatoes. I didn't, so this was like pointless. But yeah, you guys, I was just cutting the okra off. I think I'm gonna freeze the okra. What I'm going to do with it, I do not know. I honestly do not know what I am going to do with the okra because I can't stand the taste of it. No, let me rephrase that. I do not like the slime. Look how beautiful this butterfly was. I had to slow it down. But anyways, I do not like the slime that comes with okra. It's not for me. But if you have any recipes, leave them down in the comments. That's only if you like okra. Like, don't go Googling a recipe and then send it my way because I want something that you've tried and you're like, girl, this is it right here. It is hot as all ever out here. And I know I got long sleeves on, but I am sick and tired of these mosquitoes. So I got long sleeves on and I even went and changed my my boots. Oh, trying to get this marigold, good Lord, that's why I had a knife. But yeah. It's hot. Now I'm about to water this stuff, but I forgot I had liquid feed all the time. I was thinking that what is the spider doing? She eating something, I think. Oh, wait. Is that the baby? Girl, I don't know what's going on. Oh, sorry, y'all. I thought I had the camera on there. I was trying to look closer. I don't know what's going on, but scary. Like I was saying, I totally forgot that I had the liquid feed. Well, I keep calling it feed like I got animals. I forgot that I had the liquid plant food, so that's what I'm about to use right now. And water these plants because they all desperately need it. So I'm about to leave. I've watered everything. I've fed everything. And yeah, that's it. Beautiful butterfly still over here. Hey, butterfly. All right, you guys. Well, if you enjoyed today's video, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will talk to you guys in my next one. Bye.